Hello guys. You are watching Unique 5 channel. In this video we are going to see how to create clone apps in Android. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button. Tap the notification bell to get latest video notifications. Let's get into the video. First of all, we need to install the App Cloner app. Download it from its official website. The paid version has more options. We can create 1000 clones using this app, and other features are amazing. All of you have a question. Is clone app legal or not? The answer is yes, until and unless you don't breach existing business IPs, copyright, patents or trademarks. We can have multiple copies of the same app with different settings. We can't clone all the apps. Google Play logins don't work. The auto update don't work for cloned apps. For cloning the apps we need not to root the phone. We can keep two different versions of the same app installed. Keep one version up to date and an old version of the same app. Install the paid version of the app to access more options. Select the app to be cloned. Select either single clone or batch clone option. To create single clone app, select the single clone option. Or to create large number of apps with same settings, select batch clone option. We can change the name of the app. The launcher icon can also be modified. Icon color, flip icon, rotate icon, add badge, replace icon. Options can be used. Slide the bar to change the color of the icon. Next option, we can flip the icon vertically or horizontally. Slide the bar to rotate the icon. Type any number or letter to add badge on the icon. We can also change the icon. Upload the icon file to change the icon. Next are the modding settings. Here we can modify our clone app. The important settings are privacy settings, hide or change the Android ID, hide the IMEI and IMSI number, Wi-Fi MAC address, hide the Wi-Fi info. If the application have to work well without crashing, these settings have to be done. That's all. If you want to change the mod settings, then change it. The other options are display, media, navigation, storage, launching, networking, notification, Android TV Wear OS, automation, developer option, cloning. Click the blue tick button to start cloning process. We have entered 5 clone apps. Then 5 apps are cloned. If the size of the app to be cloned is large, then it will take some minutes. Install each app from the cloned app section. Now all the apps are installed. Let's check the cloned app working or not. Yeah, it's working. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell to get latest video updates. Thank you. See you in next video.